Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be talking about decarbonization and carbon recycling for offshore platforms. As we all know, the Earth is currently undergoing a climatic crisis known as global warming. Global warming is basically the heating up of Earth due to greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide trapping heat, preventing it from leaving Earth's ozone layer. This rapid increase of temperature over the last 20 years has led to the melting of polar ice caps, as well as unpredictable weather, and will eventually lead to flooding of coastal regions as well as reduced land spaces, which will inevitably affect our standard of living. Currently, offshore platforms are heavily dependent on fossil fuels, which is a major contribution to carbon dioxide emission, and therefore, in order to mitigate this issue in accordance with environmental preservation, the immediate remedial solution would be to look for alternative sources of power while reducing carbon emissions. Hence, in order to satisfy that criteria, I will be presenting a concept based on post-carbon capture technology using an offshore platform's exhaust. The process can be broken down into three phases. Firstly, a filter called ZIF78 will be used to filter out carbon dioxide from the gas emitted from the exhaust. Then, carbon dioxide will be transported through a pipe into a liquid tank filled with pure water, and in the tank it will undergo both a chemical and electrochemical reaction, which will result in the production of hydrogen as well as electrons. From there comes the final part of the process, where electrons will be conducted by a metal rod into an electricity storage, whilst the hydrogen will be transported and stored in the hydrogen tank. Ultimately, the aim of this process is to create a sustainable way to recycle carbon dioxide, which can serve as to both satisfy the need for an alternative power source and reduction of carbon dioxide. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you a great day ahead.